With a super easy math Olympiad question for you all. That is 2 raised to 100 minus 2 raised to 99 minus 2 raised to 98 equals what? So what we can do here is we are just going to split 100 in terms of 98, like 2 to the power of 98 plus 2 is 100, and 2 to the power of 99 is what? 98 plus 1 is 100, and that's leave it like that, 2 to the power of 98. Now what we can do is, you know this law, right? A to the power of m plus n is what? When you have same basis, this multiplication, you add the powers. So here the powers are added. Now we're going to split that. So 2 to the power of 98 times 2 squared minus 2 to the power of 98 times 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 98. And now we can take out 2 to the power of 98 common. So that will be 2 to the power of 98 times 2 squared minus 2 minus 1. Now that will give you 2 to the power of 98 times 4 minus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is 2 to the power of 98. How simple was that? Very simple steps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.